She was released without bail and is currently awaiting trial. We're in Milwaukee, Wisconsin, where a resident security camera records a neighbor out walking her dog. As any responsible dog owner will tell you, there's a right way to deal with this situation and a wrong way. This woman chooses to walk away without picking up. So our frustrated neighbors plan a surprise. And when the dog walker returns 2 days later, they're waiting.